what's up? I'm here with another bomb hair tutorial. So today I'm here with this company. Everything is so white. This is not focusing. Okay, so there we go. So I'm here with this company, Reshine Hair, but this box is not labeled. So I think Reshine Hair should start labeling their stuff because it would be much easier for me to kind of like, you know who it's coming from. So I really wish they had labeled it. This is what I see when I open it, and this is all that came in the package. So since that's all we got today, let's jump into the hair. So all right, I'm pretty excited about this wig, okay, because it's some curly wig. And today we're working with water wave hair. Don't mind my nails, like I'm breezing them. I need to soak them up. Like, let's not pay attention to that, okay? All right, cool. I'm gonna do them soon. So today's hair texture is a water wave hair, and 26 inch. We're working with 26 inches. I don't have a lot of long like curly hair, so yeah, probably I should try like 30 inches next or something. I don't know. So let's go ahead and move on to the actual wig. Really beautiful curls and stuff, and it comes with the little stuffing on the inside, all those stuff nicely constructed, the typical construction going on inside. 4 combs come on the inside along with adjustable straps. Lace is looking pretty good, and it's a frontal wig, as you can see. This is like 13x4 parting. I really love a deeper parted wig though, but we're gonna make it work. This is a bit pre-plucked, just a tad. So yeah, as I said, I mentioned in a previous video, I'm not going to like go in too much with plucking the frontals more, because I realize with the upgraded laces, like it tends to shed a little more, so I don't want to stress the area too much. So we're gonna see how this works out today. But as usual, it's a bit too big, and remember, all my wigs that I wear are medium cap sizes. So if you wear a medium, then more than likely you will have the same overlapping issue with your ear. So usually I just cut off a bit of the ear portion. Sometimes some of the hair end up getting cut off, but it's important that this area is very comfortable. Otherwise you won't be able to, it won't look right, So I just usually cut off this area of the wig. I try my best not to cut off too much of the hair itself, but some of it actually end up getting cut off, as you can see. So and then you want to line it up, ensure it's sitting around your ears perfectly. As you can see, this is as far as it goes with the plucking. You could go in and pluck more, but as I said, just be careful, because sometimes you just expect that it's going to shed more when you go in with too much plucking, So I'm gonna do my regular, and I'm gonna use my Got To Be spray. What do spirits say in a darker day? What do spirits say? A frequently asked question that I get is why, even though I've mentioned it times before, I guess, new subscribers and such, so people ask like, why do I put the blow dryer on cool air when I use a Got To Be? Because once heat hits the freezing spray, it basically just lifts. Heat and the spray doesn't go together, nor the gel. So cool air definitely makes it stick. So for instance, I put this on if I go out in the sun for the entire day and it's really hot, believe it's gonna start lifting, because I'm gonna start sweating, and the oils and just all the fluids and stuff will just make it lift. So if you're planning on going swimming and this is the way you're applying it, the Got2b is what you're using, it's going to basically lift off your head. You can get waterproof like glue, lace glue, to help with longer installs. But even when I use the lace glue, I don't apply heat to it. Once I use cool air, it helps to make the wig installation last longer. I'm going in with my elastic band here to press down the Got2b further into my scalp so it can really look super melted. So it's uncomfortable, best believe it is. It's tight, but I only let this sit for like 10 minutes and then I remove it. Really helps to melt it in further before I cut the lace. I mentioned this in my previous videos, and it just makes everything look more realistic. You know, lace is really hard to detect. So that's how it looks. I've been obsessed with doing that step. I proceed to cutting off the lace, and then we can do the edges. So what does spirit say in a darker day? What do spirits say? What do spirits say? What do spirits say in a darker day? What do spirits say? Now it's time for me to just go ahead and, you know, lay this. I'm still thinking if I want to do a regular ponytail. I feel like I want to do the ponytail. It's been a while since I've done a half up, half down hairstyle. Melody. What do spirits say? What do spirits say in a darker day? What do spirits say? all done with getting a little glam and such. This is how the hair looks. I'm not gonna lie, it's really nice. It's 26 inches long, as I said, so it goes all the way down. You could go ahead and wear it just as is, but if you know me, if you've been watching me for a long time, you know that when it comes to curly hair, I love that juicy wet look. So this is option one. Option one, and I know like a lot of girls love big curly hair, you know, but I love when my curls look juicy. So I'm just giving you options right now. So this is the big curly hair music video appropriate look.
I just want a bag like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking. I don't.
Wow, looks no. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and get it wet, and then I'm gonna come back. I got it wet, and you guys know I've been using my Lotta Body mousse, which I actually prefer over the Cream of Nature. I don't know, it just feels like it has a better, I don't know, the hair just feels like it have a better hold when I use it.
They are free to roam above the sea, and this story stays with me like a haunting melody. What do spirits say? What do spirits?
Okay, you see the drip? You see the drip? Of course, when it's wet, it's going to be a little bit more elongated as opposed to when it's poofier. So I like that. I really love this. I'm going to put all the specifications to this wig in my description box. But that's it for today's video. Another bomb curly wig install. Yes, and I'm loving it. I'm loving the look. Go ahead and thumb this up if you liked how it turned out. If you like how this wig looks. If you're interested in this wig, go ahead and thumbs up just to support your girl. I am so appreciative. All the love and support that you guys continue to show me is just so encouraging. Thank you so much. Alright, so that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye.